I think right now the biggest misconception is more content is better, to where I would say more engaging content is better.
Seeing long videos driving more conversion for brands, so lead gen, signups, net new customers, whereas short videos are really driving more of that engagement.
People now are okay with mistakes or something that's a little less polished. In fact, they want it to feel a little bit more grassroots made.
I feel like the bar for polished has dropped, but the bar for substance has gone up.
But there's a very fine line between using AI as a tool and using AI as the brain behind what the idea is.
AI can help significantly in getting a good start on things, but like almost any AI tool, it will always require some human creativity.
ROI of video in itself, of its platform, it's more of like, what are we creating the content for? What's the goal of that? Is it driving, attention and awareness? Or is it kind of better, deeper understanding? Is it more of an enablement? And then the goals would align to that.
For any video project that you look at, success really has to come down to what it is that you need this video to do.
Now, it's the craving for relevancy and authenticity. So I think relevancy, you can see it with audience, how they looking for and desire relevant content. Platforms prioritize relevant content.
Focus on your audience, create value, not noise.